What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Mama Mav. I am here with y'all with another video. Today we have a video that is Asian inspired. It is a broccoli shrimp over white rice dish. These ingredients, I promise you, are so simple. The flavors paired together taste so delicious. You're gonna be very, very happy with this dish when you're done making it. Before we jump into all the ingredients, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to give me a like if you learned something in this video. Now let's sit back and enjoy, y'all. All right, y'all, let's jump into it. So you see we have some sugar, some soy sauce, and white vinegar. That is all you are going to need for this sauce. The first thing you'll see me put in is the sugar. Then we're going to add our soy sauce. Last but not least, here comes our vinegar. It's no particular order. Y'all can put it in there however you want. You're just going to want to make sure you stir like nobody's business because you want to make sure all that sugar is dissolved and everything is incorporated. Now for our shrimp, we got to give that some love. First thing I'm going to put in there is some onion powder. Then you'll see me throw in some garlic powder. Last but not least, you got to have that black pepper. You're going to make sure your shrimps are completely covered because why? We want the flavor in every single bite. So there you'll see our shrimp looking beautiful and ready for the pan. We're going to throw that in the frying pan. I already added a little bit of olive oil to the pan. You can do coconut oil, whatever kind of oil you want. You don't need too much. You just want to get a nice sear on your shrimp. As you see me doing here, they're getting that good love. They're starting to turn pink. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in our sauce that we just mixed up. You want to give it one more good mix before you put it in your pan just to make sure the sugar didn't settle on the bottom of the bowl. And there you see me trying to get every last bit of that sauce in there. And now I'm just going to let my shrimp cook and let them absorb all that flavor. And off camera, I did make my broccoli. I steamed it. If you want to, you can cook your broccoli beforehand. I suggest you do it that way because with shrimp cooks really fast. So if you want like a little bit of a softer broccoli, steaming it would be the best bet. So now I'm just throwing that in there, making sure all the sauce is touching everything and giving it some good stirs and also letting it simmer on a low heat. If you're anything like me and you like garlic, go ahead and throw some minced garlic in there. Let it sit, let it do its thing, let it marry each other. The flavors are going to be so good. Your taste buds are gonna love you. And now we're gonna jump into our plating. I also made my rice off camera. I did it in the rice cooker, super simple. If you guys don't know how to do the rice cooker, or you want me to do a tutorial on that, I can for sure do that. Just leave that in the comments below. So now I'm just topping the rice with the saucy broccoli and shrimp and all the juice. And just trying to make sure that everything is, equal parts. You don't want to have too much rice compared to topping. You want to have just enough of both. And so I'm just trying to grab as much of the juice to put in that rice to give it all the flavor that it needs. And we have done it, y'all. This is it. This is the most simple, tasty dish I think I could ever give you. And like I said, your taste buds, I promise, are gonna love you for this dish. Now we get to sit back and look at how beautiful our work came out. Before this video is over, I gotta give a huge thank you to Linda Sasaki. She is my co-worker, and I am so honored for her to share that sauce recipe with me. This is something that her mom used to do when she was little, so I'm super honored that she decided to share it with me. Another huge shout out to Jessica Powell for requesting an Asian-inspired dish. I hope I did you justice. And y'all, like always, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time,